हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स विथ नागमणि। आज हम लोग एप्टीट्यूड स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। इसमें फर्स्ट चैप्टर है एवरेज। हम लोग एवरेज सॉल्व करेंगे जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है बैंकिंग एग्ज़ाम के लिए, रेलवे एग्ज़ाम के लिए, बीबीए, एमबीए, बीकॉम के सभी स्टूडेंट्स को ये काम आ सकती है और ये किसी भी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम के लिए हेल्पफुल है। एवरेज होती क्या है? एवरेज मतलब होता है सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन और सम ऑफ क्वांटिटी बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन और नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी। हम बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले सम की तरफ। व्हाट इज़ द एवरेज ऑफ द फर्स्ट 7 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 7? इसे फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि सम एवरेज ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर 1 + 2 + 3, अगर अप टू n हमारा दिया गया तो हम लोग उसको एवरेज निकालते हैं n+1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2। तो हम यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं नंबर हमारा 7 का मल्टीपल्स होना चाहिए 1 + 2 + 3 दैट इज अप टू 7 इज डिवाइडेड बाई 7। यहाँ पे हमारा 7 कैंसिल हो गया और हमारा सम ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर इसके बराबर होता है डेट इज n हमारा हो गया 7 इंटू 7 + 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 विच इज इक्वल्स टू 7 इंटू 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2। 2 4 जा 8 डेट इज हमारा एवरेज हो गया 28। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया गया है इफ़ द मीन ऑफ 7, 5, 13 एंड x एंड 9 इज 10 देन वैल्यू ऑफ x इज। हम इसे आराम से ही सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। दैट इज 7 + 5 + 13 + x + 9 सबका एवरेज हमारा दिया गया है 10। दैट इज 7 + 5 + 13 दैट इज 25 + 9 34 + x इक्वल्स टू 10 इंटू 5। x इक्वल्स टू 50 - 34। तो यहाँ हमारा x का वैल्यू आ गया 16। हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन है द एवरेज ऑफ 100 ऑब्जर्वेशन वाज कैलकुलेटेड एज 35. It was found later that one of the observation was misread as 83 instead of 53. The correct average is. So what we can do, we can find the corrected sum of observation which is equals to 100 into 35, and other is that it was found later that one of the observation was misread as 83. It is misread as 83 and corrected one is 53. So we can find here that is 3500 minus 83 plus 53 which is equals to 330530. 3500 minus 30 that is 3470. Our corrected sum is 3470. So corrected average equals to 3470 divided by 100 which is nothing but equals to 34.7. Our next sum is the average of 25 result is 20. The average of first 12 result is 15 and the last 12 result is 18. Find the 13th result. Therefore 13th results equals to average of 25 results, that is sum of 25 result, that is 25 into 20 minus the average of first 12 result is 15, then 12 into 15 plus last 12 result, that is 12 into 18. We can find that that is 500 minus 12 5 जा 60, 120 60, 180 plus 18 2 जा 36, 3 260. It is 500 minus 6 9 3 4 990 104. This is our result. In simple, we can find the sum, like sum of total, that is 20 into 25, which is equals to 500, and sum of first 12 result, which is 12 into 15, that is 180, and sum of last 12 results, that is 12 into 18, that is 216, and subtract from total, that is 500 minus 180 plus 216. We get the same result like 104 we get earlier. बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट सम की तरफ. If the difference between the average of x, y and y, z is 12, find the difference between x and z. So here we can get difference between the average of x and y. That is x plus y by 2 minus y plus z by 2 equals to 12. We can take the LCM, that is 2, x plus y minus z equals to 12. Y get cancelled, then x of z equals to 12 into 2. So the difference between x and z equals to 24. The next question, the average of three numbers of which the greatest is 16 is 12. Average of three numbers of which greatest is 16 is 12. If the smallest is half of the greatest, the remaining number is. Then the largest number is 16. Smallest number is half of greatest number, that is 16, which is equals to 8, and remaining number equals to x, let. Average of three number, that is average of 16 plus 8 plus x equals to 12. That is 24 plus x equals to 12 into 3. So x equals to 36 minus 24. Therefore value of x equals to 12. Our third number equals to 12. Our next question is, the average weight of A, B and C is 45 kg. If the average weight of A and B is 40 kg and that of B and C is 43 kg, then find the weight of B in kg. So sum of A, B and C equals to 45 into 3, that is 135 kg. Sum of A and B equals to 40 into 2, that is 80 kg, and sum of B and C is 43 into 2, that is 86 kg. Therefore sum of A plus B plus B plus C equals to 80 plus 86, that is equals to A plus 2B plus C equals to 166 kg, and weight of A plus B plus C equals to 135 kg. By subtracting, we get A got A cancel, C cancel, 2B minus B equals to 1 and 3, that is 31 kg. Therefore weight of B equals to 31 kg. That is our आंसर. बढ़ते हैं हम अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. द एवरेज ऑफ सम नेचुरल नंबर इज 15. If 30 is added to first number and 5 is subtracted from the last number, the average becomes 17.5. Find the number of natural number. So let the number of natural number be x. So sum of natural number equals to 15x. According to problem, if 30 is added to the first number, our sum is 15x. We should add 30 to the first number, and 5 is subtracted from the last number. 5 is subtracted from the last number. The average becomes 17.5. Then our sums equals to, we are not given the average, so we can find it through the sum. So we get 17.5x minus 15x equals to 25, which is equals to 2.5x equals to 25. Therefore x equals to 25 divided by 2.5, which is nothing but the 10 times. So x equals to 10. The required number of natural number is 10. Required natural number must be equal to 10. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for further videos.